Thank you. Of course, my family, my mother. Tindog. My mother hardly sent me to school dahil walang pambaon. Pero ngayon, 4-star general na yung anak mo. My wife, Nancy, napakaganda po ng asawa ko. Pakitingin niyo. My daughters, Mona Lisa, tayo anak, Maria Cristel, and yung kamukhang-kamukha ko talaga, si Rat de la Rosa. Foreign dignitaries, Her Excellency Amanda Loy Gourlay, Ambassador of Australia. His Excellency Asif Ahmad, Ambassador of Great Britain. His Excellency Kazuhide Ishikawa, Ambassador of Japan. His Excellency Philip S. Goldberg, Ambassador of USA. His Excellency David John Strachan, Ambassador of New Zealand. His Excellency Johnny J. Lumintang, Ambassador of Indonesia. His Excellency Ibrahim bin Matityaw, Ambassador of Israel. His Excellency Kim Jae-shin, Ambassador of Korea. His Excellency Zhao Jianhua, Ambassador of China. Mr. Ransom J. Avila, Attaché of U.S. Embassy. Mr. Steven Sampilo, Assistant ICE Attaché, U.S. Embassy. Lieutenant Colonel Muhammad Shafi bin Duraman, Defense Attaché, Brunei Embassy. Mr. Patrick Nangsoy, First Secretary, Police Liaison Officer, Embassy of Japan. Mr. William Kewell, ICTAP, US DOJ. And of course, my mista from the PMA Nagtala class of 1986. Please stand up. Ang dami ninyo, mista. Paano ko kayo pakakainin mamaya? Please take your seats. Fellow workers in the government, our friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Mayor Duterte did not dream of becoming the president, but the Filipino people made him the 16th president of the Philippines. In like manner, yours truly did not dream of becoming the chief PNP, but President Duterte made me the 16th chief of the Philippine National Police. If Mayor Duterte's presidency is a destiny, then my becoming the chief PNP is also a destiny. Only God makes our destiny, so I take this as a God-given mission to become President Duterte's right-hand man in his fight against drugs, criminality, and corruption in order to provide each and every Filipino a safe, secured, and comfortable life. Therefore, to our beloved President, words are not enough to express my gratitude to your unwavering trust and confidence in me. And with that, I pledge to you my endless and unquestionable loyalty. We've been through a lot of fights together since 1986, and with all humility, I must admit that we came out victorious, as evidenced by what Davao City has become right now. I become the Chief PNP only once, so I better give it all and give it my best shot. Itutudo ko na ito, and I swear I will not fail you, Mr. President. Dili gayud ako magpakaulaw kanimo, sir. To all members of the PNP, beginning today, I am your father, a father who loves and takes care of his children, rewards his well-performing children, and punishes his erring children. In our fight against drugs, criminality, and corruption, it is either you are with me or you are not with me. If you are not with me, then if you are with me, then let's do it. But if you are not with me, then you are finished. We will be relentless in our internal cleansing efforts. We have to eliminate scalawags from within our ranks. Kayong mga kutong, abusado, tamad at sindikatong pulis, bilang na ang mga araw ninyo. Lalo na kayong mga pulis dito sa Metro Manila na pinagmamayabang pa ninyo na kayo ang mga ninja, na kayo ang taga-recycle ng shabu. I am giving you 48 hours to voluntarily surrender to me at ilahad ninyo sa akin ang lahat. Otherwise, mag-awol na lang kayo, mag-full-time drug lord na lang at makipag-gira na lang kayo sa amin. Hindi ko po masisikmura ang bagong kalakaran ngayon, na ang bagong yabangan ngayon sa mga kutong na pulis ay hindi na po magkano ang kanilang nakukulikta sa illegal gambling, kundi magkano ang kanilang collection sa illegal drugs. I am telling you this has to stop right now, or I will stop you from enjoying your evil life. I promise you, change is coming, including your birthday, which will be changed to November 2. Sa mga matitino kong kapulisan, alam kong matagal na kayong nagtitimpi. Hindi ninyo magagawa ang gusto nyong gawin dahil ika nga, buntot mo, hila mo. Dumating na po ang pinakahintay nating lahat. Ang presidente na determinadong wakasan ang salot ng lipunan. Ang lideratong iaalay sa atin, hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. We are facing a daunting task, that is to reduce to the lowest possible level our country's problem on drugs, criminality, and corruption. I am not cowed by this challenge. I am very optimistic that together we can win this fight. Sa sambayanang Pilipino, this is our golden moment to prove to ourselves that we are capable of ending the ills of our own society. Tulungan niyo po kami. Huwag po ninyong pabayaan ang inyong kapulisan. We need your help very badly. I am urging you to please join the fight. Be our prayer warriors. Ipagdasal niyo po kami na sana kami magtatagumpay sa aming misyon, na sana kami ay hindi magkakamali at higit sa lahat, hindi namin maaabuso ang karapatang pantao. Now, therefore, I, Police Director General Ronald Bato de la Rosa, am ready to take on the challenge to lead the PNP, and I am ready to start my work for the PNP and this nation as a whole. All orders and instructions shall remain undisturbed until they are rescinded or amended. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Philippine National Police at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you very much, sir. Police Director General Ronald De La Rosa, Chief Philippine National Police.